today I'm going to show you how to unbox Samsung Galaxy A71, which is right here. And I'm going to talk about the features and everything about the details.
Let's talk about Samsung Galaxy A71 specs. Operating system, Android 10, 2.2 GHz Snapdragon 730, 64-bit octa-core processor. Display, 6.7-inch 2400 by 180 Super AMOLED glass display. You can watch HD movies and you can play your games without any lagging or flickering. Memory, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, micro SD card slot extendable up to 1 TB, which is more than enough for rest of your life. Just kidding. Video, up to 4K video recording at 30 FPS. Just imagine the video quality would be with 4K video shootings. You can take a stunning picture with Samsung Galaxy A71. The camera resolution is 64 megapixel rear camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle, 5 megapixel macro, 5 megapixel depth, 32 megapixel front facing. In total, there are like 5 cameras. Last but not the least, battery 4000 mAh, which is 4500 milliamps hour. With full charge, you can go like full day without any trouble, unless you watch a lot of YouTube videos for a whole day. Then you might have some problem. But other than that, for doing the regular test, you're good to go. I hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have any question, please comment down below. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.